Yo, what's up, guys? Supershot281 here. This video today is about some amazing news that I have just received. My favorite band, Starset, is in Madison this Tuesday, and I get to go to the concert. It's awesome. I can't wait. Who knows, maybe I'll run into one or two of you there. But I doubt it. But I just figure I share my life with YouTube sometimes. Mostly good times. So just I had to tell you, it's awesome. I can't contain my joy right now. I'm wearing my Starset shirt. And it's just so awesome. I found this out in the car. My dad's like, hey, look at these tickets. I'm like reading them, and it says Starset. It gave a website. It said like starsetonline.com or something. I don't remember. But Starset Online. That's what got me. The fact that it said Starset on it was amazing. And just wow. I couldn't believe that my dad actually got the tickets. It seemed like it really seemed like that my dad really wasn't going to get the tickets. But he did. I'm happy, and I can't wait. Well, that's it for today. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment on this video, some other video ideas you want me to do. I mean, I'll do anything as long as it doesn't involve me spending money. Or maybe if I like buy something cheap in the dollar store, prank calls, just let me know in the comments below. Be sure to hit that notification bell, like, subscribe. Supershot281 out. Bye.